Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Pretty cool graphic. The only thing you need to think about is to make the bottom flat when we're doing this. So we're going to take a square and I'm going to take the shape tool and I'm going to hold down the control button so I only get that. Now we could actually flip it the other way, but it doesn't really matter. That's how I did it. I am going to control. So you want to figure out, this would be 90 degrees. So if you take 90 divided by, well, let's just do it. 90 divided by 6 is 15. Let's go. It's got to be I would think it needs to be an even number. 90 degrees divided by 8. 11.25 degrees. So I'm going to control D, double click on the rotation and put it right there. I think the more you do, the better. So I'm going to have to go backwards. So I'm going to need 11.25 degrees. And I get that. And then I'm just going to control D till it's even. You don't really need to keep going, but that way you've kind of proven it's equal. I would strongly suggest you group that together. I'm going to use a different color this time. Let's use this blue. And I'm going to go the last one, the second to last one. And see, you only get 4. So you could do more and have more lines. Now I'm going to control G to group it. I'm going to get the interactive fill tool and I'm going to go from there to there and I'm going to put blue again, but then I'm going to put this light blue in the middle. I don't want it so strong, so I'm going to put another blue there. This is just personal preference to make it kind of look like that line. You can make it a little bit better like that. Now that line, we could control D and do it 2 different ways. We could go there, grab them both, control D, holding down the control button, get the 2-sided arrow, and look at it with the, I'm gonna have to make my black box bigger. Look at that. Now we could do it that way. Let's see what we get if we do it the other way, just for grins. So instead of bringing it this way, let's control D. I don't know what it's going to look like. And it's going to make that pattern in the middle completely different. I kind of like it too. I like this one better. I actually like the red and yellow. Kind of really shows off in the dark. But just, you could do more. I almost think you need to do even numbers. And, your lines could be thinner and you could have more. Anyway, just a fun project. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.